Welcome to our channel. Class 7th subset is English. So today we are seeing Unit First 1.1 It's a Small World. English workshop questions with answer. So let's start with our video. If you are first time visit our channel, so like, subscribe and share with friends. Question number first, sing the song. Question number second, note down pair of rhyming word from the poem. Add one more rhyming word to each pair. Answer first number tears, T-E-A-R-S. Tears, rhyming word is a fears and ears. From the poem fear, F-E-A-R-S, and one more rhyming word is ears, E-A-R-S. Second is share, S-H-A-R-E, share, from the poem Aware, A-W-A-R-E. And one more rhyming word is care, C-A-R-E. Third is sun, S-U-N, sun, from the poem O-N-E, one. One more rhyming word is F-U-N, fun. Last one, fourth, divide, D-I-V-I-T-E, divide, from the poem wide, W-I-T-E, wide. And one more rhyming word is hide, H-I-D-E, hide. Divide, wide and hide. See again, we are read these rhyming words. First is tears, fears, ears. Second is share, aware, care. Third is sun, one, fun. And last one, fourth, is a divide, wide and hide. Now, third question is discuss the meaning of the following lines. So first is it's a world of laughter. So this meaning is answer is the line means that is the world of happy people. We laugh when we are happy. Laughter here means happinesses. And second is a world of tears. So answer is the line means that the world is full of grief and sorrow. Tears are the symbol of sorrow and unhappy people. It's a guess and discuss the meaning of the following lines. So first is it's a world of laughter and second is a world of tears. Third is it's a world of hopes. So answer is the line means that there are people who have hopes and ambitions. They wish to live on hopes. They are hopeful about their future life. And last one is a world of fears. So answer is the lines means that there are many things that fear them. There are climates, dangerous, depressions that cause fear among people. Question number 4. The poem says, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Give example of other action and gesture that mean the same in all parts of the world. Give 3 example of gesture or action that have a specific meaning only in certain region. One such example would be the thumbs up sign. Action or gesture that mean the same in all parts of the world. So first is thumbs up. Answer is to raise your thumbs up. The sign show that something has been accepted or agreed upon. It also shows that is a success. Second is V sign. So answer is raising index and middle finger like sign V to express victory or success. Third is shake hand. So answer is to take somebody's hand and move it up and down as way of saying hello or to show that you agree about something. Fourth is bow. So answer is to move your head or the top of your body toward or downwards as a sign of respect. Second is gesture or action that have a specific meaning in a certain reasons. So first is touching feet of person. So answer is to show respect to the elderly or a respectful person. Second is rubbing cheeks on another person's cheek. So answer is for showing love or close relationship. So third is namaste or ram ram. So answer is used for greeting somebody or to say hello. Next, question number 5. The following sentence were here in a school on the first day. Use the expression to prepare simple conversation between two or more speakers. You may use the same expression more than one and add your own lines from pairs or groups and present the conversation in the classroom. So we are seeing some are dialogues in this picture as like a hello, hi, I am, how are you? We had so much fun together. This is I spent my holidays at. I am so glad to see you all. How did you spend your holiday? I'm new here. My name's dash dash. What's your name? How was your holiday? Aslik. So, see, the first conversation is between Pandit and Raju. So, Pandit says, Hi, how are you, Raju? Raju says, Fine. And how are you, Pandit? Pandit says, How happy I am. Back to school again and new class, new books, new teachers and friends. Raju say, Yes, back from the holidays. It is nice to be back in school. Pandit says, Really? Very nice. Let us go to our new class. Raju say, Yes, sure. Now, first conversation finish between the Pandit and Raju. So it's a very small conversation and very effective. So second conversation between Tejas and Nama. So let's start this second conversation. Tejas says, Hello Nama. Nama says, Hi, how are you? Tejas says, Fine. How did you spend your holiday? Nama says, I had been to my native place. My whole family was there. We enjoy a lot of. What about you? Tejas says, I could not go anywhere, but many of friends we here we had a much fun together. Namaste, and here in school we shall have much more fun together. Tejas says, let us join our old friends. So in this year we are completed second conversation between Nama and Tejas. So now we are seeing the last conversation between Anand and Naveen. So let's start it. Anand says, Hello. Naveen says, Hello. I am new here in this school. Anand says, What's your name? Naveen says, Naveen. Naveen Navle. I don't know what are the boys like. So I am feels so lonely. Anand said, don't worry, you will get many good friends here. Naveen says, who is this with you? Anand says, oh, sorry. Meet my friends. Hasmukh. Naveen says, hi. Welcome to our school. Anand says, thank you. As like today's we are seeing three conversation between a two person. So if you like this video, like and subscribe and share with our friends.